6.3 11th one. Find the equation of all lines having slope 2 which are tangents to the curve. So lines having slope 2 and which are tangents to the curve. That means slope of the tangent equal to 2. So dy by dx is equal to 2. Slope of the tangent is 2 means dy by dx equal to 2. Then we have to find the such lines. We have to find the equation of that lines. So we can find the point using this slope equal to 2. So dy by dx. What is dy by dx? Minus 1 by x minus 3 whole square equal to 2. Dy by dx. Derivative of 1 by x minus 1 by x square. So derivative of 1 by x minus 3 minus 1 by x minus 3 whole square. That is equal to, and into derivative of x minus 3, that is 1. So that is the equation. Using this we can find the value of x. So cross multiplying, therefore we get x minus 3 whole square into 2 equal to minus 1. That is x minus 3 whole square equal to negative 1 by 2. So that means, see 2 into x minus 3 whole square equal to negative 1. Therefore x minus 3 whole square equal to negative 1 by 2. So we got square of x minus 3 is negative. That is not possible. Square of a number is negative means that is not possible. That means there is no real number x satisfying this equation. That means the curve has no tangent with slope 2. Therefore we can write the answer. Therefore the curve has no tangent with slope 2. That is the answer. Now 12th one. Find the equation of all lines having slope 0 which are tangents to the curve y equal to 1 by x square minus 2x plus 3. So we have to find all lines having slope 0 and tangent to this curve. So the slope of the tangent equal to 0. So we can find the slope of the tangent using dy by dx. So dy by dx equal to 0. Find dy by dx. Derivative of 1 by x square minus 2x plus 3. Derivative of 1 by x minus 1 by x square. So in the place of x, here it is x square minus 2x plus 3. So we can write minus 1 by x square minus 2x plus 3 whole square. Derivative of 1 by x minus 1 by x square. So in the place of x, x square minus 2x plus 3. So minus 1 by x square minus 2x plus 3 whole square into derivative of x square minus 2x plus 3 into, in the place of x it is x square minus 2x plus 3. So we have to multiply by the derivative of x square minus 2x plus 3. So derivative of x square minus 2x plus 3, that is derivative of x square 2x minus derivative of 2x 2. So derivative 3 0, only that much. So that is equal to minus, here we can take 2 common. This minus, then 2 common, x minus 1 divided by x square minus 2x plus 3 whole square. And given that slope of the tangent, find all lines having slope 0 which are tangent to the curve. So we have to find the lines which have slope 0 and tangent to the curve. So slope of the tangent equal to 0. So this is the slope of the tangent. So we can equate this to 0. Slope of the tangent equal to 0. So this equal to 0 means numerator. If fraction 0 means numerator will be 0. So minus 2 into x minus 1 equal to 0. So we get x minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore we get x equal to 1. So at x equal to 1, slope of the tangent to the curve is 0. Now at x equal to 1, we can find the y coordinate. Substituting x equal to 1 in the given curve, equation of the curve. So this is the equation of the curve. We can substitute here and we can find the y coordinate. So y equal to 1 by 1 square, x equal to 1, substitute x equal to 1. So 1 minus 2 into 1, 2 plus 3. That is equal to 1 by 1 minus 2 minus 1 plus 3, 2, 1 by 2. So x equal to 1, y equal to 1 at this point. So therefore at 1 by 2, at the point 1 comma x coordinate 1, y coordinate 1 by 2. So at the point 1 by 2, the slope of the tangent, having slope 0 and tangent to the curve. So at this point, slope of the tangent is 0. So at this point, slope of the tangent is 0. So we have to find, at this point, we have to find the equation of such lines. That means we have to find the equation of tangent. So at where slope is 0. So at this point, slope is 0. Slope 0 means that tangent is parallel to x-axis. Slope of the tangent is 0 means that tangent is parallel to x-axis. So parallel to x-axis means equation of the tangent, equation of a line parallel to x-axis is y equal to a constant. And that constant, and we know that tangent passes through 1 by 2. So the equation of line having slope 0 is y equal to a constant, and here y coordinate is 1 by 2. So equation of the tangent is y equal to 1 by 2. So this is the equation of the tangent, y equal to 1 by 2. Since the slope of the tangent is 0, it is parallel to x-axis. So equation of a line parallel to x-axis is y equal to a constant. And it passes through 1 by 2, therefore y coordinate y equal to 1 by 2. That will be the equation of the line having slope 0 and tangent to the curve. Now 13th one. Find the points on the curve x square by 9 plus y square by 16 equal to 1. X square by 9 plus y square by 16 equal to 1. So find the points on the curve. At this point, at this curve, on this curve, find the points on this curve at which tangents are parallel to x-axis. We know slope, when the tangent is parallel to x-axis, slope of the tangent is 0. And second question, tangent is parallel to y-axis. When the tangent is parallel to y-axis, slope of the tangent will be infinity, not defined. Then, so first we can find the slope of the tangent using dy by dx. If the equation of the curve is given, we can find the slope of the tangent, dy by dx. So here, using this, we want to find, this is the equation of the curve. Using this, we want to find dy by dx. So it is implicit form. So how to find dy by dx? We have to differentiate term by term. Each term differentiate with respect to x. So differentiating with respect to x. Derivative of x square by 9, that is 1 by 9 into the 1 by 9 constant. 1 by 9 into derivative of x square, that is 2x, plus then 1 by 16 into 1 by 16 constant into derivative of y square with respect to x, that is 2y dy by dx. We are differentiating with respect to x. Therefore, derivative x square is only 2x, but derivative y square is 2y into dy by dx, differentiating with respect to x. That is equal to derivative of 1, that is 0. So we differentiated. Now using this, we have to find dy by dx. So here, 2 we can cancel from all the terms. 0 into 2, 0. So 2 we can cancel from all, 0 by 2, 0. Now what is remaining? X by 9. X by 9 plus, so derivative 1. So for differentiating 1 by 9 into derivative x square 2x plus 1 by 16 into derivative of y square 2y dy by dx, derivative 1 0. So we cancelled 2. So we got x by 9 plus y by 16 into dy by dx is equal to 0. Here x by 9, here y by 16 dy by dx equal to 0. Therefore y by 16 dy by dx is equal to minus x by 9. Therefore dy by dx. Therefore dy by dx is equal to minus x by 9 into y by 16 take to the other side, so multiply by the reciprocal. Therefore into 16 by y. Into 16 by y. So we got that is equal to this 9. That is equal to minus 16x divided by 9y. So minus 16x divided by 9y. So that is dy by dx, that is slope of the tangent. So slope of the tangent, therefore we got slope of the tangent minus x by 9 into 16 by y. So minus 16x by 9y. So we got therefore slope of the tangent equal to minus 16x by 9y. So now we can consider the questions. First one, when the tangent is parallel to x-axis, we have to find the point. At which point tangent is parallel to x-axis. If the tangent is parallel to x-axis, slope of the tangent equal to 0. So when tangent is parallel to x-axis, slope of the tangent equal to 0. Minus 16x by 9y equal to 0. See, one fraction here, the x and y are the variable. So here fraction 0 means numerator is 0. Therefore minus 16x 0, that is x equal to 0. Therefore x equal to 0. So when x equal to 0, tangent is parallel to x-axis. So x coordinate we got. Now we have to find the y coordinate, substituting x equal to 0 in the given equation of the curve. So when x equal to 0, y, substitute x equal to 0 here. Therefore 0 by 9 plus y square by 16 equal to 1. Therefore this is 0. Therefore y square by 16 equal to, therefore y square by 16 equal to 1. Therefore y square equal to 16. Therefore y equal to plus or minus 4. So x equal to x coordinate 0, y coordinate plus or minus 4. So at this point, 2 points are there. 0 plus or minus 4. 0, 4 and 0 minus 4. Tangent is parallel to x-axis. So first answer, at 0, 4 and 0, negative 4, tangent is parallel to x-axis. Tangent is parallel to x-axis. Now second one, parallel to y-axis. Minus 16x by 9y. So we got this is the slope of the tangent. Now second question, when the tangent is parallel to y-axis, minus, this is the slope of the tangent. When the tangent is parallel to y-axis, slope of the tangent is infinity. So slope of the tangent is infinity, that is not defined. That means denominator is equal to 0. Therefore y equal to 0. So y coordinate 0. Now we can find the x coordinate substituting in the equation of the curve. So substitute y equal to 0 here. So we get x square by 9. Here this term will be 0 equal to 1. Therefore x square equal to 9, x equal to plus or minus 3. So these are the points, x coordinate plus or minus 3, y coordinate 0. So at these points, the tangent is parallel to y-axis. Therefore the tangent is parallel to y-axis at the points. Therefore at the points at x coordinate plus or minus 3, plus 3, plus or minus 3, 0. At plus or minus 3, 0, tangent is parallel to y-axis. So these are the points at which tangent is parallel to y-axis. Okay.